Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make an improvised bra cup. We all know how bra cups are getting expensive these days. So today I'll be teaching you on a simple method of making a bra cup. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so as not to miss out on important details or acts. So yeah, I'm starting my measurement from 7. That's the chest. Then I've measured my under bust. Then I measured my bust point. My bust point, which is 10.5. Then my under bust, which is 13, and my chest, which is 7. So after measuring it, as you can see, I marked my bust to bust is 7 points. That's divided by 2 will be 3.5. So I'm making it for sewing allowance because I'm not drawing it on pattern paper. I'm drawing it on a Warden. So after marking the 7 points, I'm going to measure 2 centimeter each on both sides. 2 centimeters each on both sides. That means the total amount I'm taking away is 4 inch on the left and right. So I'm going to mark it to the bust point. The bust point, I'm going to come down by ½ inch. So I'm going to go to the upper part, the chest. I'm going to mark it with 1 centimeter each. So I'm going to curve it on the 1 centimeter. I'm going to make a curve on it. So this is the easiest way to make it. So I'm not going to align the measurement, the measurement with the circumference, the bust circumference. I'll be using 5 for the left hand side and 3 for the right hand side, the smaller parts. Your breast it's a circle now. If you are cutting a corset, just like you are cutting a corset, so you are going to measure it. So this is what I'm covering. So you can decide if you are not sure of your measurements. For the length, for the breadth, I used 9 inches because my bust is 34. 34 divided by 4, that's 8.5 with sewing allowance. So yeah, I measured 9. So yeah, I want to show you that what I actually calculated for the bra cup is correct. That's why I measured the waist to align it to see that it's correct. I took 1 inch on 2 centimeter on both sides for the waist. So I connected it to the bust point. So I took ½ inch. This is the way if you want to cut a corset, this is the calculation you're going to use. So I take ½ inch on both sides. So I realized that the measurement is correct. So now I'm going to cut it out. As you can see, I'm cutting it out. So I'm going to follow the line. Just make sure if you have double line, just make sure it is not confusing. Make sure you are cutting the correct lines. You used your whatever you used to trace it properly. So yeah, after cutting it, I used the pin to hold it so as not to miss, because this can be so confusing at times if you don't hold it with pin. So, and at times you have to shock it to know the correct angle to sew on. So I've gone to my machine, I've sewn it. You can see how it came out. It's cuffed. So what you're going to do is to notch it so that it can stay very well. So yeah, you can see it's cuffed out. The second one, you can see I sewed it twice. I took ½ inch and I took another quarter inch. You can see the difference. One is more cuffed than the other, depending on how you want your bra cup to be cuffed. That's what you are going to do to it. If you want your bra cup to be firmer, this is the trick. You are going to use boning. I'll be making another YouTube video on how to use boning to channel your bra cup. I hope you've learned from this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't for more amazing contents. Bye.